So I'm doing a damage assessment on my leaky roof, which, again, it's kind of understandable. I built it, so. But I've got a drip here, and then I've got a drip on that one. I've got a drip over there, oh, right up there. And then I've got a drip somewhere around here, I think. But, you know, that's not bad, right? It's way better than what it was. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix some water spots on the truck every once in a while and make sure I just wipe it off. It's fine, okay? I'm pretty happy with it. That might be a problem. Other than that, it's good. Let's check in here. Ooh, a little nervous about this one. Yeah, it's dripping. Let's check in here. All right. I gotta get some rock. That's what I've decided. Need rock right here. That should hopefully fix it. But I think I've got most of the leaks pinpointed somewhere. You can see where like the water starts. You guys can't see it. Well, maybe you can. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. See those little drips right there? Yeah, that's so right above that is where it's leaking. So I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th row down is leaking on that side, needs to get patched. And then down here, looks like one of these might be from the top even. But either way, we got a couple little pinholes to fix, but that's okay. That's gonna happen. We're gonna get it fixed. All right, I'm gonna move this and get it under the other side of the carport so we can start doing body work.